Let me show you the most OP on steroids method for online arbitrage research in the marketplace right now. So with just a couple minutes of research, I searched for eye drops basically. I came up with these two products, this one here and this one here. Now the criteria was that it had more than one FBA seller, so at least 2 FBA sellers, no Amazon, and some sales in the past month. So some sales at least. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Astro and then just go to the AI Vendor Search right here. This button right here, you want to search, you want to apply a new search. Now this is going to go through the net and it's going to search for vendors of this ASIN, and it's going to search for deals, coupons, anything it can do to find a great deal for you to buy at a cheap price where you can sell it on Amazon for the highest price possible. So I'll just wait a few seconds for this to load. All right, it's up. So now we're going to go ahead and search for all the possible options that we can buy this product from. So for example, this one here, ePharmacy Inc., $7.17. We can go ahead and hover over this and see if there's any other discounts. So this one is discounted for $12.17. There's no bulk price information on this one, but that seems like a cheap one. Let's go ahead and check out a few more. Total Heal is at $7.28. 500 units in stock, no bulk pricing for this one. So we can go ahead and visit their website and buy it from these guys. So these two, we can actually find them and sell them. So at $7.17, we're looking at $3.91 worth of profit from each unit we sell. So this one here sells 600 units a month. There is a bit of competition on it. This one has 2 competitors on it at a low price. So we can probably sell around 200 if we can source 200 of these. So let's go ahead and type in 200 and see how much money we can actually make. So by buying 200 units of this one is going to net us $782 worth of profit at 50% ROI, and it most likely will sell off within the month. So that's $782 from one product. Let's go ahead and check this one out here. Now I searched for this one earlier. This is more of a wholesale opportunity. You have to buy quite a few of this one. So this one, there's a vendor, Berry Wholesale, $10.50 for this product. So let's go ahead and check out $10.50 what that is going to net us. So at $10.50, this product is going to make us quite a bit of profit. $9.82 worth of profit at 88.4% ROI. So let's go ahead and check out that vendor again. So right there, it says minimum order 700 units, delivery and lead time 3 to 4 weeks. So you're going to have to wait 3 to 4 weeks for this product to arrive, and you have to buy at least 700 units if you want to get it at this price here, $10.50. But $10.50 is going to net us 88% worth of profit. Now it only sells 500 units a month. Now there is a bit of competition on it, so the recommendation is to buy 167, but I would probably estimate that it might sell around 200 to 300 units every single month. So it might take 3 months to sell this off completely, but even at that number, things are good. You can just check out the chart over here at $10.50. If you're sourcing this product at $10.50, then there's so much room for profit. Here's the historic buy box price. There's your break even line right there. The chunk between the break even and the buy box is significant. There's a very low chance of you ever having to sell this product off at a loss. So a nice little product right there as well. So if you can string a few of these together, $300 profit from this one, $700 from the other one. If you get 10 of them together, you're making a nice amount of money every single month.